Wait, stop. Before you clean that, have you made sure that your chemistry is compatible? So you may have heard the term chemical compatibility thrown around, but what do we actually mean when we say that? So I want you to consider two different scenarios. First, what do you think would happen if I put diesel in my gas engine? Or what would happen if I put nail polish remover in a styrofoam cup? In both cases, the materials aren't compatible. In the first example, the diesel is not compatible with the processes within the gasoline engine. In the second case, the styrofoam cup and the solvent are not compatible with each other. So in general, when we say that things aren't compatible, we mean that whenever there's any physical contact between them, there's a change in either the form, fit, or function of one of those materials that causes some problem down the line. So chemical compatibility can be broken up into two generic categories. The first is material compatibility, and the second is process compatibility. When we say material compatibility, we want to make sure that our cleaning chemistry doesn't affect any of the properties of our materials. Things like size, color, shape, thermal properties, electrical properties, things like that. Also, don't forget that your assemblies have a wide range of materials on them. Things like metals that can corrode, inks that can fade, or adhesives that can soften. So you want to double check to make sure that the properties of those materials aren't changing after you've cleaned them. Also, don't forget about the material construction of your cleaning equipment itself. You don't want to accidentally turn your inline cleaner into a floor cleaner. The second category is process compatibility. Remember that different cleaning chemistries are formulated for different processes. For example, one downside to spray and air cleaning is that it's prone to foaming. So those specific chemistries have built-in defoamers. Safety is another process concern that you want to be aware of. For example, you don't want to use IPA in a stencil printer and risk burning down your SMTA line. Plus, it doesn't work very well. If you enjoyed that video, make sure to hit the like button. Also, if you want to be notified of any future episodes, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below or send an email to AskDrAdam@KYZEN.com. Thanks for watching and stay clean.